Hi girls, so we're gonna work on choreography today. I know we started some of it and I'm gonna play a little bit with it because I'm gonna be honest, it's been a long time and I kind of forgot some of it. But remember our entrance. So, again, Kai is right there. I think he's a little tired. Let me see. Yeah, this is Kai. He's a little tired because during technique class he was running all over like crazy. And yeah, but look at him, he's cute. He's a cutie baby. He's my baby. But hopefully he'll sit here and be nice. Or look, he's already trying to play with me. No, Kai. Okay, so let's learn some choreography. Remember the first thing we do is we start a circle. So we're gonna do a line in the back and a line in the front, and we're all holding hands and we're doing chassés. So we chassé. Chassé 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 2, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 until the music starts. And we get ready and we run to our spots and we go first position. And you get a tendu, first, battement, and first. Tendu and first, battement, first. Tendu, first, battement, first, tendu, and battement first. So remember, a battement is just a big kick that's just like a tendu, so it brushes. Okay? So tendu, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay? Good job. And from here, we're gonna go up and passe. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. If you're comfortable, you can go on up and really up and down, and up and down. But we'll see how we try that, okay? And you're looking to the sides. For this one, I want you to stay to the front and smile. Stay to the front and smile, all the kicks. And from here, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay? Awesome. Do you want to try that with the music? Okay, let's try it out. So from the very beginning. And 1, 5, 6, 7 with your friends. And 3 8s. 3, 4, 5. 3 pairs. Tendu, battement. Tendu, battement. Tendu, battement. Tendu, battement. Passe up, down. 5, 7, 8. 1, 3, 5, 7. PK swoosh. Good job. Good job. So I know that might have caught you because it's a little fast, okay? But it all goes together. So remember, 3 8s. So you chasse. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. You count another 8. And then you count 1, 2, 3, 4. And then you go to your spots. 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay? And then you're going to go. So do 1, 2, kick. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Passe 1 and 3. 5, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Remember to look when your leg goes up. The next part, you're gonna PK and susu. Remember, PK, but you're gonna PK susu. Close, really tight. Remember, susu. Just like remember how we were playing and you had to hold a little paper and squeeze, squeeze, squeeze like that. And you're gonna go susu 1, 2, tendu 3, 4. And then you're gonna go 5, 6, tendu 7, 8. And you cross your arms 1, 2, 3, 4. And then you're gonna turn to the other side. 5, 6, 7, 8. And then you go to the other side. Hands on waist. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5, 7, 8, and 1, 3, 4, and you're gonna walk to your new spots. 5, 6, 7, 8, okay? Good job. Awesome. So to review, remember, we did 1, 2, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So 2 8s, 4 kicks, 4 tendus. Then you go up 1, 2, 3, 4. Slow, 2, 3, 4. Quick, and quick, and quick, and quick. And su-su, and down. And su-su, and down. Cross your arm, and down. 7, 8. And su-su. Oops. Su-su. And su-su. And turn around and go to your next spot. Okay? Good job. Let's try that much with music. The next part gets you a little tired. It's a lot of jumps, but jumps are fun, right? Good. Okay, let's try with the music. So you chasse with your friends. You chasse. 2. And 3, 2, 3, 4. Watch your spots. 5, 6, and 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4. Tendu. Passe. And down. Passe. And down. Passe and down. Passe and down. Passe. Su-su. And down. Su-su. And down. And su-su. And down. And turn around. Su-su. And su. Su-su. Turn. Walk to your spots. And turn. Good. Okay, the next part is a lot of jumps that we already know, okay? Okay, it's jumps that we've done before, but it's a combination, so it's a little harder. Start from here, you go 5, 6, 7, 8. Sorry, Kai wants to play for some reason. 7, 8. From here, you're gonna jump second and first, and second and first. You're gonna jump to the right first, jump to arabesque, and from here plie, and you jump out. And you have to look that way. You have to be facing that way, okay? And reach. And first, and jump out, and first. From here, there's a new jump. I think this is the class that we did it on last time. And you're gonna plie with both legs, and you're gonna push and jump to the side, out. And from here you plie and out. Good. That's called seesaw. Seesaw. And it's a jump. You jump from 2 feet to 2 feet. And you have to go from first to fifth, and then you jump to the other fifth. Of course, your arms are not gonna do chicken wings. You're gonna go here and side and side. Okay? So together, that jump combination goes in second and first, and second and first. Arabesque and first, arabesque and first, and out, and side, and out, and side. From here, the last thing you do, a little turn, around, and plie, deep breath. Okay? Good. And then you repeat it one more time. Like I said, it's tiring, but it's a lot of fun with the music, and you're gonna have your fun costume, so it's gonna be fun, okay? So, wanna try it with music? Okay? Ready? From the beginning. Chasse. Pretend you're chassing with your friends. Remember, it's a chasse. But we're walking right now because we don't have space. And you run 5, 6, in each spot. 1, 3, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Passe and down. Passe and down. Passe, 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 passa, su, tendu, su, tendu, su, tendu, turn around, other side, su, and turn, 5, 6, 7, second, first, arabesque, jump, turn, again, second, first, other side, jump to the side, turn, good job, really good. Like I said, that's a lot of work, that's a lot of big jumps. Okay, and this part repeats, so remember to breathe, okay? Good job, girls. Okay, from here, we get to have a little fun, so we're gonna do piques. So from here, you just finished, we're gonna take a little breather. And from here, you're gonna go and pique and down. And pique and down. And pique, 5, 6, 7, 8. Then you go to the other side. Pique and down. And pique and down. And pique, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay? So remember, those legs have to stay super straight. You almost do like a flamingo. Okay? Okay. You finish all those jumps, and you're gonna go. Pique up and down. And up and down. And pique, 5, 6, 7, 8. Pique and down. Pique and down. Pique. 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay? Good job. Good job, girls, okay? So let's try it one more time from the beginning with music, okay? Let's listen to it. Remember, the beginning part is gonna be a full circle with your friends doing chassés holding hands. But for right now, we're just gonna walk. And 1, 2, 4, 6, 7, chassé. Last 8, 1, and get to your spot, 5, 6, tendu, pop, tendu, pop-ma, tendu, pop-ma, tendu, pop-ma. I'll say up, and down, and down, and down. Pass it up, down, su, tendu, su, tendu, su, tendu, and turn, and down, su, tendu, su, tendu, su, and turn, 5, 6, 7, second, and turn, and second, oops. Sorry, made an oopsie, so let's do the jump part again. So this time, you're walking to your spot, jumps one more time. First, arabesque, jump side, turn, and second, arabesque, side, and turn, and pique, and 1, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and pique, and 1, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Good job, girls. So, very good job. The next part just repeats one more time, and then there's a new part that we are gonna learn next time, okay? So just remember, really work hard on that jump section, because that jump section is gonna come back, okay? Remember, open second, go first. We did this in the last dance, okay? So from here, you start in first position, you plie, and you jump second, and first, like you're giving a hug, and first, and now you do an arabesque. So that means you have to make like a line with your arm and your leg. And you go out, like Superman. Superman, and you jump back to first. Superman, and to first. Now here's a new jump. You push, you jump to the side, you close your legs together. And other side, close your legs together. And then 1, 2, 2. And you're done, okay? So really work on that part, try it a couple times. Don't be scared. If you have any questions, I'm sure that soon we're gonna have class again and we'll all get together and have fun, okay? Take care of yourself, stay healthy. Kai said bye. Kai. Kai says bye. He's been fun, and you guys have been fun. So enjoy and keep dancing. Thank you.